Hey everybody, thanks for watching. I'm Wes with Daddy-O the Patio Barbecue, and today we're going to cook up a delicious tender leg of lamb. So today the leg of lamb we're cooking up is Australian, and it comes from Butcher Box. We're going to keep it simple, no binder. For seasoning, all we're going to use is Sucklebuster's SPG. So I've already got this leg of lamb unwrapped. Because it's boneless, we're going to have to keep it in the net. That way it doesn't fall apart when we cook. Now we're gonna go ahead and, like I said, take some Sucklebuster's SPG, no binder, and we'll go ahead and season this guy up. Get a nice even coat. Pat it down. Never rub the meat. Get a liberal amount. Lots of flavor in there. Get your sides. All right, next we'll go ahead and fire up the pit and get her started. All right, everybody, so we let the rub sit on the meat for a while. It's soaked in nice. Got the smoke rolling on the pit here. Today I'm using my Pit Boss Pro Series 2 850. Got it set for 220 degrees. To monitor the internal temperature of the meat, I'm gonna be using my Meat Stick 4X. So with this cook, I want it to get to about 125 degrees, and then I'm going to crank the Pit Boss up to 400 degrees and let the outside kind of crisp up, make a nice little bark, and get the internal temperature to 135. Then we'll pull the meat off, let it rest, and slice it up. What's up, everybody? It's been a little over an hour now. The lamb leg is looking really good. According to my Meat Stick, internal temperature is 73 degrees. I ended up having to go to the grocery store, so I finally used the Meat Stick Bridge, the Wi-Fi. Let me tell you what, it worked perfect. Didn't have any issues when I was at the grocery store picking out some stuff for dinner and checking my temperatures periodically. So we'll come back in about an hour and we'll check on this again. All right, everybody, we've reached the internal temperature of 120 degrees. Let's check out this leg of lamb. Wow, she is looking good. That is gonna be delicious. Let's go ahead and crank up the temperature here on the Pit Boss. Bring it up to 400. Crisp that outside just a little bit. Can't wait to dig into this guy. All right, everybody, total cook time was about 2.5 hours. Meat stick temped out 135 degrees, right where we wanted it. Man, she looks good. A little crispiness there on the outside. She's gonna be tasty. All right, everybody, the leg of lamb is done. It's been resting for a while. I think we're ready to open it up here. Check it out. I've already taken off the netting. Man, does it look juicy. Pull out the meat stick here. Feels like it's pretty tender. Let's go ahead and slice up some of it. Oh my goodness, that looks good. Look at all that juice. Wow, does that look good or what? Let's take off a bite here. That's delicious. Remember to please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you want to watch more awesome videos like this. We'll see you around.